Yes, it was under the control of the Modi group because prior to the assault of the troops, there is a gun mount in that area, and our troops were being fired upon. So our troops conducted clearing. They occupied the gun mount and cleared the house beside it. The sniper located in that house was the one located by the scout rangers on the other side of Agus River. So we neutralized and occupied that position and cleared that house, and eventually we recovered those millions of cash and checks.
First name is a full name.
Rowan, R-O-W-A-N.
Sir, yung ilan sa mga failed checks na na-recover, I think it was issued by the local government. What can you say about it, sir?
As I mentioned, we are still on the process of investigating. I think there is a proper agency or entity that will provide that answers.
Your show of sir, what does that say about the Mount Group? Ano po yung ibig sabihin ng mga perang yan at saka ng mga checking mo?
Well, sabi ko nga in that position, no, when we recovered or neutralized that machine gun nest and the sniper's position, so it can be explained very clearly. Okay, that position was in control of the Maute. So after neutralization of that sniper's nest, we were able to recover several firearms. According to General Parkman, it's not only an M16. There are several war material that were recovered in that scene. Okay?
In addition to your question, George, the Maute group, as we all know, is well funded. They have defensive positions, and they have a very capable group, and they defended Marawi until now. They are sustaining, but the recovery of those millions of cash indicates that they're running because the government troops are pressing in and focusing on destroying them.
Pero sir, sorry, follow up lang. Okay. Sir, yung mga bundles kasi ng pera, yung date na parang like 15 pa yung iba. So, does that mean na matagal na nila tinatago yung mga pera niya? Or
We will not speculate, no. As I said, there is a proper agency that will tell the facts or the answers. We will just wait for the investigation.
Sir, based on the investigation,
I think there's a question.
sir, alam naman natin in these parts, mas sanay yung mga tao nagtatago ng pera sa kanilang mga bahay kaysa sa mga bangko. What leads us to believe na itong pera po ito ay talagang may kinalaman sa terrorist group versus siguro na iwan lang currently ng mga tumakas na civilian?
Logically, no, when we recover the sniper's position or the enemy position, so nandun, it's a very clear evidence that we found this bundle of money worth 52 million in the position of the Maute group.
Sir, can you quote this? Sir, pwede mo ba describe kung itsura ng bahay na nakuha na?
The house is located in Makati, and it is at the eastern side of Agus River. It is a well-built house. Tapos sa gilid niya nandun yung machine gun mount. Dun sa earlier question kanina, if you own that money, if a civilian owns that money, or sabihin na natin na if someone owns it, dadalhin na niya yung pera na yun. Hindi niya iiwanan yung ganong nakalaking halaga. Wala nang sasakyan doon sa lugar. Ibig sabihin talagang yung area na yun, area ng Maute.
Any more question?
Sir, yung bahay ba ang mayaman?
Ayan, okay.
Hindi naman natin malalaman kaagad kung ano, kasi halos pare-parehas yung mga bakay na sa Papandi.
Well, sabi ko nga, we need to wait for the investigation para talagang ma-identify natin kung saan galing yung pera na to. So, we'll just wait for the resultant of the investigation.
But sir, I think we already have a prior information about this. Paano bang kalaman yung connection ng grupo? We agreed or the information na meron din sila orders from the Middle East. Is that correct, sir?
Well, pwede natin siyang Hello. Well, pwede natin establish, no, itong local terrorist group ay well connected. They have supporters, they have sympathizers, they have links to international terrorist organizations. So, in the context of your question, we can establish that these are the source of their funding. They have criminal activities. So these are historical facts, no? But based on the actual, yung nangyari ngayon, on the recovery of this worth 52 million, we need to wait for the investigation before we can establish the facts.
How was it found, sir? Is that how?
The money was found inside a vault near the machine gun post ng sa house. May machine gun post doon at may vault doon nakita. Nung piniklear ng mga tropa natin.
Sir, how do you make sense of the checks recovered? The checks recovered.
Well,
Mga galing saan and what do you think of it? Dahil may checking, yung mga pila niya, may checks niya.
well, this is very interesting na eh. Kaya nga, we contacted immediately, for the immediate investigation. So the details of your questions will be answered after the investigation. Well, hindi ko muna sasabihin, no, kasi kailangan natin ma-establish muna.
Some are paid to cash.
Okay?
Some are paid to cash.
Some are paid to cash, so hindi natin ma-establish. Okay. But we have already contacted financial analysts, for the investigation.
Isusog mo lang
Rowan, can you repeat?
It was a machine gun nest. So, ang machine gun, ang minimum niyan, 2. Isang gunner at saka yung isang ammo bearer. So, yun yung minimum. Then there was a sniper there. Hitting our forces, our scout ranger forces at the other side of the river. Yun yung area nila nung June 4. Then we assaulted it the following morning. Then yung na-recover natin.
Amino.
We cleared the area. We didn't find any body counts, but we recovered 1 firearm. kung machine gun yung nakabantay doon, mahirap pasukin yun. Napakahirap. Tapos may sniper pa.
Sir,
Yun yung bantay doon.
sir, na-check niyo na po ba kung genuine yung mga pera na yan? Mga pera yan, sir.
That's part of the investigation.
Sir, is there any possibility that this came from banks?
Pwede.
As I said, this is part of the investigation. Sir, as I said, this is part of the investigation. We will not speculate here. We will wait for the facts after the investigation.